Hello everyone, I'm going to try another cauliflower in the air fryer recipe. This time I'm going to do air fryer buffalo cauliflower. This I got from the website wholesomeyum.com and I will link it down below. And so it's 1 head of cauliflower, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, buffalo sauce, and butter. So she uses butter to thin out her buffalo sauce. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm from St. Louis. Sideberg's is a very popular wing restaurant, and they sell their wing sauce at the grocery store. I absolutely love this. It is a bit thicker. I may thin it out. I still got to think about that. I have this 2 pounds of cauliflower. I'm only going to do half a bag because my air fryer is kind of smaller, and you don't want to overcrowd the bottom. I think I did that wrong last time. I had too much cauliflower in it. And also, I'm not going to use a liner. I used a liner last time and just a lot of moisture built up. And I know liners, to help clean, to save you cleaning. I'm going to clean it. I'm not worried about the liner. So first off, I'm going to only use half. So open this bag, put half in, and then add the ingredients. Everything except the buffalo sauce. That comes in last. So it's going to be air fryer 380, 7 to 10 minutes. I bought the bag because I thought it would save time and money, but seriously, look what was in the bag. Oh my goodness, are you seriously? It's nothing but stem. Jeez Louise. Lesson learned, I'm not buying the already cut up again. I can do such a better job than whoever cut this up, so. All right, so I didn't do the whole bag. I actually did like 75% of the bag. I didn't want to overcrowd. It's just me and my husband. If you had more than 2 people, you would definitely need to do several rounds. But for just me and him, this is perfect as a side item. I cooked 9 minutes. That's looking pretty good. Let me see these bigger ones. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, I got some Sideberg's wing sauce. I do store this in the refrigerator, so I pulled it out about half an hour ago, so it will be completely cold when I put it on the wings. Sorry, the fake wings, the cauliflower. So I'm just gonna put like 3 tablespoons on. I don't need to douse it, just a nice flavor. All right, it looks pretty darn good. I really only probably put 2 tablespoons worth of hot sauce on it. If you're from St. Louis, you know this is the best. So Robert made us cheeseburgers, and here is the cauliflower. I'll give it a taste test in a second. Here we go, taste test. Robert just had a bite. What do you think? Do you like it better than the Italian seasoning one?
I think it's just as good.
Just as good? I like this one better. That's absolutely delicious. Oh. Who was it?
Honey. I hit the bowl right next to her. She took off.
Soon as we cook in the kitchen, as soon as we leave, they think they're sneaky, but they're not. I would definitely do that recipe again. And I might get some ranch, dip it in ranch. I don't know that it needs it, but if you like ranch with your hot sauce, this was really good. So I just checked the fridge, and we finally ran out of the huge ranch bottle that we bought at Costco. Never again. I like the smaller bottles. Thank goodness I'm a hoarder, because I found a White Castle ranch sauce. But I do need to add butterscotch. I need to add ranch dressing to the shopping list. She was just right here.
She lost her interest.
Lost interest. She's like me, very short attention span.